My husband and I were enjoying a quiet summer evening on our front deck when what did we see? Cows on the loose, walking right past our driveway.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my word. I've never seen that before.
12 cows from the farm up the road decided they wanted to enjoy an evening stroll through the beautiful countryside. So my husband and I went out to help our friends wrangle up the cows and get them back home. But first, we needed to find them. Not an easy task. We could not believe how fast these cows were traveling because it was not that long that we were in our truck out looking for them. So they were clipping along. Eventually, we came across our friends who owned the cows, and we realized that we could no longer see the tracks from the cows on the road. So we walked around, looked, couldn't see any sign of them. Got back in our rigs and drove further, and the sun is starting to set. It's going to start getting dark soon, and still no cows to be found. Finally, we seen a path on the side of the road that the cows had made, where they had gone through the bush up into another field. And eventually we spotted them way over by the tree line, quite a distance away, lying down, happy as can be.
Yeah, you can see the trail in here. They're taking a evening stroll. You can see right the path.
So I should be able to walk them all the way down. Yeah. And you can take my car back if we find them. I'll go with you and I continue to take my truck.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go, straight ahead. 2 paths right up the hill.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. As soon as I saw them, I think, shit. Yeah. They should be up on the power line. Yeah. Exactly. Probably get them back.
Oh, I ain't got no problem.
Okay. You're good to take the rig back then.
Yeah, and I'll wait at the road because there's no opening in the fence now, so that they'll.
Sure, beside the temporary fencing will be okay, right? Because it'll lead. We'll walk them down to there.
So that would be a coyote. Real close. You couldn't pay me enough to live in the city. Been there, done that. Montreal, Vancouver, both beautiful cities. But I wouldn't trade this for anything. So I'm gonna hang out here and just enjoy the peacefulness and wait for the cows and my husband. This beats watching a movie or working, even with the mosquitoes. Whoops. Real life. The mosquitoes are actually getting bad. I had to put on some Watkins lotion, but I'm heading back to the truck. Honey, you found some cows. I see you found some cows.
He's being followed too.
You got cows behind you even.
That's a bit of a hike back there.
I would say. Well done.
Electric fence, but electric gate?
Yes, just the handle's over there.
You got a whole herd following you, honey.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Nick's gone to
Those aren't
find the
ones
two missing
that
ones.
Nick was looking for then.
No, I came in behind him because he got ahead of me.
Okay.
And then I was caught up in the woods. And then when I got out, he was way gone, so I could see a flashlight way the hell off. I'm like, well, I head in that direction. And then, but I was coming down, I could hear the other two still up there.
And what, they just followed you in?
Well, once Nick got them moving, they just went, and then they went down in the woods on us a couple of times, and they were stubborn, but they came out, but two
took off
two
differently.
stayed in the woods, but they'd be making their way out. He'll bring them back no time.
If you want to.
So instead of a quiet evening on our front deck, it ended up being a late night cow chase instead. I hope you enjoyed today's little video. See you next time.